Hey, Elaine with Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this center step card using the Oh Holy Night suite. Here is my center step card using the Oh Holy Night suite. I always start with a template when I'm designing any kind of fun fold card or center step card or any other card that I want to keep the directions for. So I just use a scrap piece of cardstock, and this one's 8.5 by 5.5. And then I mark all the score lines and I actually do the cut lines so that I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to use this to help me create the card. So before I do the trimming, I just wanted to show you all of the items from the Oh Holy Night suite. The first is the Stars at Night bundle, which includes this stamp set and dies and this hybrid embossing folder where you can use this die to cut these 3 stars out of the paper at the same time that you run it through to emboss the paper, which is really cool. I love hybrid embossing folders. The second bundle is Night Divine, which has these lovely sentiments and these lovely nativity scene pieces. We also have the Night of Navy sheer gold glitter ribbon, which is super pretty. And these 3 items unfortunately are sold out, but I wanted to just point them out to you. The star trinkets, the Oh Holy Night Designer Series paper, and the Shining Brightly. I'm only using the Oh Holy Night Designer Series paper, but you could substitute any similar paper. So to start, I'm going to insert the cardstock 1 inch from the right side. So I'm going to use my measurements here on the right and place this at the 1 inch mark. And then I'm going to start cutting at the 3¼ inch mark. So I'm going to move this down to 3¼ and I'm going to be cutting it down to the 7½ mark right there. So I'm just going to go all the way down to 7½ right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side where I bring the left in 1 inch and place this down at 7½ and I'm going to scoot this up to 3¼ and those are going to be my 2 cuts. Now I'm going to score and I'm going to place this at 3¼ because that's where we started our cuts. And I'm going to use the lighter piece, not the cutting piece, but the scoring piece. And then I'm going to move this to 4¼ and just score in between the 2 cut lines. Okay. And then we're going to move over to 6½ and 7½. So I need to extend my ruler out. And then here's 6½ right here. And we're going to go just on the outsides right here. And then 7½ right there. And same thing. So now I'm going to fold this to create the center step card. You're going to take the first fold and fold it down like a mountain. And this one will also be a mountain. But then that will be a valley and a mountain on the last 2 folds. So a valley and a mountain, valley and a mountain. And I'm going to line up the card and make sure everything is square. And I'm going to use my bone folder to help make the correct folds so that this will lie flat. All right, now I have some pieces to start putting on my centerfold card. This piece right here, I have gold stars left over from another card that I made. So this piece right here is 3 3/8 by 4 1/8. And then I've cut this to 3¼ so only 1/8 inch difference, and same here, 4 inches tall, so only 1/8 difference there. Okay, so now I have these 2 side pieces, which are 7/8 of an inch wide and 3 1/8 inches tall. And so when I place these all on here, I wanted to add these little pieces on. They're going to be a little bit wider. So they're going to be 1 inch wide by 7/8 inches tall. So now I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Versamark and use white embossing powder and then heat it up with the heat tool right on the designer series paper. I'll attach this to the Night of Navy cardstock and then onto the card. And then I'm just going to fill in the sides with more of the cardstock. They measure 7/8 inch wide by 3 1/4 tall. And then these two little ones are 1 inch by 7/8 inch tall. So now I'm going to add the extra stars that I had from another card onto this card. I cut them out using the hybrid embossing folder, which cuts and embosses at the same time with gold foil. And then I just am going to add the clouds and stars in basic white cardstock. The clouds are from the Night Divine dies. And that is my Center Step Stars at Night card. Get my Oh Holy Night class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.